Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Alicia and I'm back with another video. Before we get into this video, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. On this channel, I post health content, productive content, lifestyle vlogs, and I just share my life and my journey on here. So if you're looking for someone to learn, be motivated, be inspired, then this is the right channel for you. So guys, if you are my OGs, you already know I started my online tech business like 2 months ago. And the first investment that I did for my business was getting a tablet. I was so literally happy. If you haven't seen the tablet, I'm going to show you the tablet. This was a tablet that I got. It's a mini tab. I love portable things, like something I can put in my bag. If I'm going out, I can just throw it inside my bag. I got this tablet for my business at first, and oh my god, it's a bit printy, but it's kind of off because I'm charging it. But this is how the tab looks like. Yeah, it's so possible. And then maybe by the time this vlog is done, I'll be able to show you guys what's in it or in another video. But this tablet has really done so much for me lately and has made my life more easier, to be honest. That's not just it. So I decided to get this little laptop. Like, it's not little, it's a mini laptop, but it's actually, I'm going to show you guys how it looks like in a minute. Okay, so this is the laptop. Guys, this was literally like so expensive. Like, if you go and check for the price, I wouldn't tell you the price, but go check for it. Like, it's so freaking expensive, and it is a Type C laptop. Like, do you guys see? So you need like external like USB hubs, right? I have another USB hub. I have this one, and I can connect my screen to it in my stuff. And I do want to set it up actually. There's some things that I want to install that will make my work way easier because this laptop is only for my work. I did add my FS Studio software to this laptop anyways because like I did want to like be making beats on the go. Like if I have beats to make and I'm somewhere, I could just quickly put it out and make my beat and all of that. But it's mainly for my work, like mini for my work. So yeah, that's it.
Let me tell you about this girl. Maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we been.
Everything is set up and I changed it to my nightwear because I'm about to go to bed. I'm not even going to stay up. It's already 4. Like, it's 4. Do you guys see the time? 4:17. I think I'm literally done with everything. This is how my laptop looks like, guys. It's so bright. Sorry. This is literally like my Notion. It's the same as my tablet as well because it's the same account. They actually like sync. This is the first laptop that I bought. That was like in 2021 before I came to Gambia. I bought this. It's also soft touch as well, but it's like really worn out and it's big compared to this one. You can see the difference in sizes. Do you guys see? You guys see? Like, it's a baby. I'm grateful to God for actually blessing me with this one. I also forgot to tell you guys that I got a new mic, and this is like a really expensive mic, guys. And this mic is really good. Like, it's one of the best budget mic in the market. I will not say it's budget because it's really freaking expensive for a mic, but this content that I'm doing, I love it, guys. Like, I love it to the max. I just love to post videos to inspire anyone, just one person out there. So I got this mic. It's actually a 2-in-1 wireless mic, and this is how it looks like. This is the other one on me, and this is how it looks like. You can do live recording with it. Like, it has its own aux plug for live recording, and so you can plug it to the headphone and hear yourself. That's amazing. So when I'm doing my classes as well, I would also be using it to plug to my laptop since it's Type C cable. And yeah, the receiver is both Type C and both iPhones. That's it for this video. Make sure you comment, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel because why not? Look at the time I'm even filming for you guys. Like, I had a full course day, but I still had time to film for you guys. Okay, I will see you in my next video and bye.